I'm gonna make a bold statement.
And what's that?
This is the best recipe I've ever shared. Hey everybody, you're here with me over at Gary Ranch in California. Why? Because I'm about to tell you how to make the best blueberry pudding crumble you have ever had in your entire life. But first, we need some fresh blueberries. So come with me. Our blueberries have been washed. The rest of the ingredients are ready to go, and now it's time to bake. So, after you have washed 2 fresh cups of blueberries, you add in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I just like to eyeball this. And when those 3 ingredients have been combined, you can then toss them in this dish. So let's combine them. Now, a lot of people call these different things. Some people say this is a blueberry pudding crumble, a blueberry pudding cake, but whatever you call it, this is going to taste phenomenal. Then put the berries in a square, greased, very important, greased baking dish. Give them a good little shake to even them out. Now, into a clean mixing bowl, you combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And once those are all in the bowl, just give it a good mix. Then add 1/2 cup of milk carefully and 3 tablespoons of melted butter and mix some more. All right, so take the mixture and just spoon it all over the berries. Doesn't have to be perfect, just as evenly as you can get. Honestly, this part is so satisfying. All right, so see how we have our pudding consistency all good to go? Now we need the crumble, cakey consistency. So into a new bowl, we have 3/4 cups of sugar, once again, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Give that a good mix too. All right, fabulous. Now, just take it, sprinkle it right on top. Just like the last time with the pudding consistency, no rhyme, no reason, just nice little even spreading as best as you can. Now the final step is the one where everyone goes, wait, are you supposed to do that? Are you sure? Yes, it sounds weird, but you're going to take 1 cup of water, boil it, and then pour it all over. I know this looks weird. I promise you it's correct. I promise you it's correct. So now that that is all set, it is officially ready to go into the oven, 350 for about 45 minutes. It's ready. Oh my goodness. If this is not a work of art, I truly do not know what is. And to think, we just picked these berries together a couple of hours ago. And look, this is something that you can do as a family out here in California, berry picking, and it's gonna be an amazing day. And you're gonna have amazing, delicious items like these to just bring to your family, bring to the gatherings that you have all spring and summer long. I mean, guys, look, this is perfection. This is perfection right here. Let's get a little bit more of that blueberry goodness on there. All right, here we go, people. The moment of truth. Are we ready? I fear I must say goodbye right now because the baby's asleep and I have this all to myself. So thank you guys so much for being with me for this. I'll see you for the next one.